Okay, 2 tips to grow your YouTube channel in 2 minutes. It's very, very simple. YouTube growth always just boils down to 2 simple things from what I've seen with thousands and thousands of subscribers, millions of views on like 5 or 6 channels. It's always very, very specific channel niche. So Warhammer, fishing, football, cooking, whatever, but make it specific as possible as well. Make it like tying certain fishing hooks in these different types of ways, or a specific football team and the matches that they play and analysis of it, or Warhammer lore about the characters or whatever. I've done a Warhammer channel that got to 10k subscribers over the past year, and all I did was just keep posting and posting and posting in the same niche, Warhammer lore for people that enjoy the lore, about certain characters, and I found the ones that people like, and I just kept posting. And the second part is consistency, and I don't just mean posting every day. I mean go and look in your niche, find that standard that everyone works to, and then try and post to that same standard as much as you can. Consistency isn't just about posting every day, it's about posting to a consistent level, and also posting videos that all feel the same so people know what they're expecting. And if you can have this consistency across your content, you post for a long time and you post in a specific niche, then you are going to grow your YouTube channel. And I keep saying this in every video, but this is literally all that you need to do to grow on YouTube in 2026. There's no funny business. I know there's a lot of other little details that do help, but these are the 2 main components and they always will be. Find a very specific type of channel that you want to make and then post to a good standard consistently in that niche over a long period of time, and you will grow your channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is literally all you have to do. Go and do this for a month or a year. Get back to me and let me know how you got on. Watch the video on screen if you do want to get some more information from me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.